Hi friends, I wanted to talk about me time, giving time to myself. I was like a very happy, chirpy, bubbly kind of a person before my marriage. Once I got married and I had kids, I saw that the things that I loved doing were all the things that I never did again. And I was busy doing the things that were needed of me to be done. I realized that the shoulds and the musts that I should be doing this. I have to do these actually take away a lot of our energy. Waking up in the morning, putting the trash back outside, warming up the milk, putting the vessels back, getting breakfast ready. These are some of the things that, as soon as we wake up in the morning, our mind is flooded with things that we want to do for others. And in doing so, a time comes when we cannot give more of ourselves to others because we have not given more of ourselves to our own self. So there's this time needed. Otherwise, what happens is we start throwing that stress on our loved ones, on our kids who we love so much. And I realize that me time is so important. And in this me time, what do? I do things that I love to do for myself, because when I am full of love for myself, I can pass that love to others. So I love to sing, I love to dance, and there are people who don't love doing that. Okay, so don't do anything. Just hold your coffee or your tea and just sit. Just drink that coffee without your phone, without the TV. Just look at the nature around. Just look at the trees. Just go for a walk without your devices. Let the devices stay at home. Meet up with old friends. That's very important. Plant trees. There are things that you can do for yourself by which you feel completely charged up. Show some self-compassion, which is so important, because when we practice self-care, we are teaching our kids and our family members to love their own selves, and we do not keep vomiting out the stress all the time on them. I think it's very important. When I feel I'm very stressed out, you can also just do simple runs. You can just meditate, You can just sit in silence, doing nothing, no meditation also. And when you're too bored, just go and pamper yourself. Go watch a movie. Go, just go for a facial. Go for a body massage. Do anything that you love doing. Just understand that you are important. If you don't give time to your own self, your time with your family will be polluted with stress. You choose what you want. Thank you so much. Follow and subscribe on my channel to know more about my experiences, tips and tricks which can help you in your interaction with your kids. Thank you for watching this.